Hello dear friends, welcome to Tag and Tag channel. In this video, we are going to show how to personalize Instagram account call notifications. So watch the video carefully until the end. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account. Click the menu account setting and activity and click notifications. After click notifications, okay, click calls option. Okay, very easy. For example, incoming video chat from Johan. If you don't want to see this notification, choose the above options according to your personal option. For example, off, turn off. For example, from a profile I follow. For example, if it is off, you will not receive the notifications. No problem. This is video easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and turn on the bell. Tag on tag.